You are going to love the 2020 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Come see the car for yourself.